Welcome to Chongbian's kitchen. I have never thought of cutting eggplant into small cubes and sprinkling them with egg liquid, but it turns out to be more fragrant than big fish and big meat after being taken out of the pot. First, prepare 2 fresh eggplants and cut them into long pieces. Then cut them into thick slices with a knife, about 1 centimeter thick. After cutting the slices, cut them into slightly thicker strips. Finally, cut them into eggplant cubes. Remember not to cut the eggplant too big, or it will cook slowly. After cutting, put the eggplant in a large bowl. Pour in a spoonful of salt and some white vinegar, then pour in water to cover the eggplant. Grab it with your hand and soak it for 10 minutes. Adding a little salt and white vinegar helps prevent the eggplant from oxidizing and turning black. Grab it again and set it aside. Next, prepare half a red pepper and cut it into strips. Finally, cut it into small pieces. After cutting, put it on a plate. Then prepare half a green pepper, cut it into strips, and finally use the knife to cut it into small pieces. Put it on a plate. Prepare half an onion and cut it into small pieces. Shake your hands and spread them out. After spreading, put them in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare a small bowl and crack in 3 eggs. Stir the egg liquid evenly with chopsticks. Stir as much as possible. Make sure the egg white and egg yolk are fully integrated. Stir well and set aside. Now our eggplant is done soaking. Simply wash it, then take it out and put it in a sieve to drain the water. Pour it into a bowl, and then pour the mixed egg liquid over the eggplant. Stir it evenly with chopsticks so each piece is coated in egg liquid. This helps the eggplant taste better. Stir well and set aside. Next, prepare half a bulb of garlic and cut it into pieces. Cut a small piece of ginger into strips. Then prepare a few green onions and cut them into small pieces. After cutting, place them on a plate. Now, let's make a sauce. Pour 2 tablespoons of soy sauce into a bowl, then another spoonful of soy sauce, a spoonful of chicken essence, and a spoonful of sugar. Finally, pour in a small bowl of water. Stir it evenly with a spoon to mix all the seasonings together. Making the sauce in advance saves time when frying. Stir well and set aside. Next, prepare a pan and pour in a suitable amount of cooking oil. When the oil is hot, pour in the eggplant with egg. Don't stir it right after placing it in the pan. Use a spatula to flatten it and fry slowly over low heat. Once the bottom is set and firm, turn the mixture to cook evenly. When the bottom of the egg is golden brown, use a spatula to flip it over and fry the other side. Try to fry it a little longer so the eggplant and egg absorb more flavor. After frying both sides, use a spatula to stir-fry the eggplant and egg. Continue frying until the water from the eggplant evaporates and both sides are golden brown. Then take it out and place it on a plate. In another pan, pour in a little cooking oil. When the oil is hot, pour in the green onion, ginger, and garlic. Stir-fry over high heat to release the aroma. Then pour in the onion, followed by the green and red chili. Continue stir-frying until the onion and chili are cooked through and aromatic. Next, pour in the fried eggplant mixture. Stir-fry everything together to combine the ingredients. Once well mixed, pour in the prepared sauce. Turn the heat to high and let the eggplant fully absorb the flavor. Boil for about a minute. Finally, pour in a little water starch to thicken the sauce. This will make the dish more flavorful. Stir-fry for about 30 seconds, then remove from the pan and plate it. Now it's ready to enjoy. The eggplant made this way is soft, flavorful, and visually appealing. The key is that the method is simple, yet delicious. If you like it, give it a try. That's all for today's video. See you next time.